Hi friend, if you're dealing with a cramp, your body might need magnesium. The good news, you can make a simple magnesium oil or magnesium cream at home to help. It is easy and fast and way cheaper than store-bought. So let's get started. So what's the deal with magnesium flake and Epsom salt? Both are good source of magnesium, but they are a little different. Magnesium flakes come from magnesium chloride, which absorb quickly into the skin, perfect for fast muscle fix. Epsom salt or magnesium sulfate is great for baths, but does not absorb as well. That's why in this recipe we are using magnesium flakes. All you need is magnesium chloride flakes and some boiled water or distilled water. There's only 2 ingredients you need. First, boil your water. It helps dissolve the flakes faster. Now stir in your magnesium flakes until they are completely dissolved. It looks more like water and it feels a little sticky. Once it's cool, pour into the spray bottle and your DIY magnesium oil is ready. Now a quick tip, some people feel a slightly itching. That's totally normal. If it's bother you, dilute it with water or apply a little lotion afterward. My best practice, I like to use on my feet and let it absorb for 30 minutes. No need to rinse, but if you feel a little sticky, you can wipe it off later. Let's make some magnesium cream. We will be using half a cup of magnesium oil as a base of our cream. Now in a double boiler or heat-safe bowl, melt the coconut oil, shea butter, and the beeswax together. This gives the cream a smooth, spreadable texture. Once melted, remove it from the heat and slowly add magnesium oil. Did you know that magnesium plays a key role in over 300 functions in your body? But many people don't get enough of it. Low magnesium level can lead to muscle cramps, poor sleep, fatigue, and even headaches. Keep whisking or blending until it turns into a creamy texture. Magnesium is essential for relaxing muscles, calming the nervous system, and improving sleep. There are some amazing benefits of using magnesium regularly. You might be wondering why magnesium sometimes makes your skin itch. If you are low on magnesium, your body might react with a slightly tingling or itching sensation. But don't worry, this usually fades over as your body adjusts. If you want, add a few drops of lavender oil or essential oil for calming effect. Pour your magnesium cream into a clean jar and let it cool. Store it in a cool and dry place. To use, just massage a small amount onto your leg before bed or whenever you feel tension, and it absorbs quickly and help keep your cramp away. Magnesium is like a shield pill for the muscle It helps them relax, reduce those annoying cramps, and even improve sleep. Plus, your skin absorbs it way faster than taking a supplement. So why not make it at home for pennies instead of buying a fancy bottles? Now you got it, friends. A super easy way to help leg cramps naturally. Try it out and let me know if it has worked for you in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy DIY remedy.